The super popular, easy to wear magnetic lashes are here with brand new designs. And in this video, I'm going to compare the differences between the various magnetic lashes that Wasado has. And not just magnetic lashes, they also have eyeliner and eyebrow pencil. So this is one of the most popular eyelashes that Wasado has because of the crisscross design, as you can see over here. Really pretty. This is brownish color. Can't really see it on screen, but there's a tint of brown as compared to, let's say, this one is totally black. So let me just put it side by side together for you to see. This is the brown one and this is the black one. And if they look like it's a little bit of a different length, they're actually the same. Yeah, so if I put this just right on top of each other, it's the same length. So here's the difference between Starview and fan-shaped curly. Which one do you prefer? Well, I kind of prefer the Starview. The design really makes my eyes pop like a star. What do you think? The green box lashes Secret Escape has a more intense crisscross pattern compared to the white ones, but they're both equally light. I'll show you later on how they look like on my eyes. The green one is only about, say, 1 mm longer in length compared to the white one, but hey, when it's on our eyes, 1 mm makes a difference too. The white lashes comes with this kind of gap, and the green one comes with this kind of gap. So how do you take this out? Very simple. For me, I like to just use my fingernail to poke through the middle and then very gently peel the two pieces off. The very interesting thing about this green box lashes is that the top and bottom lashes are different. Bottom is a full normal lash and the top is a half lash. How do you put this on? Blue dot is for the top left eye. So left dot left eye and right dot right eye. White dot on the left hand side is meant for the bottom for your left eye. So just put it gently on top of the magnet. And just make sure the dots have to see each other so that when you get them right, they are hidden. Position your applicator as close to the base of your eyelash as possible. Push gently and lift up your eyelids a little bit. But if you notice the inner corner here, it has left the base of my eyelash, which I did not even realize at all. Hence, if you find a gap between the magnetic lashes and your eyelids, well, that's what happened. Alright, can you see a difference between the two eyes? Let's show you how it looks like from the side. Wow, super curly, huh? And the other side, really quite long, but it feels very light actually. And now top view. See the gap at the inner corner of my eye? So just be aware of how you gap so you can minimize this gap. If you think that it's not curled enough, you can always use your eyelash curler to give it an extra oomph. See how it's instantly lifted even more? I personally really like the Starview one, despite it being a little bit shorter than my eyes. After a while, I actually got used to it and I think it's perfectly fine. Which one do you think looks nicer? To take it off, it is super easy. Just slowly peel it off, slowly peel it off, and ta-da! Back to normal. So which one do you like? Let me know in the comments below.